Hi, this video will show you how to nest a cap on digital cutting machine software for fabric cutting. Here are steps. Firstly, open your digital cutting machine software, import DXF file or SVG file of the cap that you want to cut. Break down the baseball cap into its individual parts: the crown, the brim, eyelets, and the sweatband. Set how many pieces of each part you want to cut. Set the fabric width that you are using. Click Nest button to start nesting the parts. Tips for nesting: try to nest parts as tightly as possible to minimize the material waste. This software can optimize the material can be around 70%. Avoid overlapping the parts. Leave enough space between the parts so that the machine can cut them out without colliding. Additional notes: Omni digital fabric cutting machine can also punch holes for eyelets. If you're using Omni digital cutting machine for fabric cutting, be sure to follow the instructions for nesting and fabric cutting. By following these steps, you can easily nest a cap on Omni digital cutting machine software for fabric cutting.